Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the background from your videos in Capcut PC. Sorry, I just had a brain fart there. I'm just going to select this video. It's obviously not going to look super great if you do the auto one. You can do the manual one, but it does take so long. So let me just wait for this to load. My Capcut has been lagging lately, so I'm so sorry. Remove background and just select custom removal, and it's going to automatically auto removal, and then it's going to automatically remove the background of your videos. You can also do the custom removal, and it's going to basically let you use brushes to remove the background manually. You can also adjust the feather later, and you can expand it later as well. Okay, that looks the same. Okay, it should work. Oh, there we go. See, as you can see, it's not 100% accurate. Again, like you can like feather it out here and expand it a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really super simple. It does work a little bit better if your background is like that. Maybe with something like this, it will work better. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You can also add in like a background here of your choice, like what color. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.